Hello and welcome to Radien CRM, where we're enhancing solar businesses with automated sales, marketing and reporting through a solar specific CRM. Today we are going to discuss how we can effortlessly streamline your contact management process with bulk uploading and importing feature. Now, if you're looking to seamlessly import contacts into Radien CRM account, whether you're migrating from another platform or organizing your existing contacts more efficiently, Radien CRM offers a straightforward solution for bulk uploading. Now, in this video explainer, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of importing contacts into the Radien CRM with ease. So when you're in your dashboard or in your CRM, you're going to come down to contacts. So let's go hit that. It's going to bear with me for a bit there. We've got a list of things, actions that we're going to do, and we're going to come to this one here, which is import contacts. So we hit that. However, before we hit this, we need to ensure that we have our spreadsheet correct and that we download it as a CSV file. Now, you don't want your spreadsheet any bigger than 50 megabytes in size as well, so depending on how many contacts you have, you might need to break up that spreadsheet to ensure that it's below 50 megabytes. So let's go to what a spreadsheet should look like. So you should ensure that you've got all your naming conventions across the top here, and they are also in your CRM under contact fields. So for everybody it might be a little bit different. You've got first name, surname, phone number, email address, postcode, power bill, shading, has solar or replace solar, and we've got 20 contacts in here. So what you want to do is now go to file. You want to download as a CSV file. So let's do that. We'll see that pop up here. You can see that there. Great. Now we're going to come back to the upload section and we're going to hit this blue button because we're ready to import. We're going to grab this CSV file here, open. We can see that it's sitting there, and now we're going to hit next. Now you come into, it's going to upload, and we're going to come into the mapping section. So you can see this up here on the steps that you're in. So this is where you need to ensure that everything is correct. I will show you a tip. If it's not, we'll get there. So as you can see here, you've got a little circle with a tick in it. It's green. It means that it's mapped correctly. So it's the Alex or Bella first name. And now you can see that there is a warning sign here next to the surname because it's not mapped. All we need to do is hit the contact field and put in last name. So it might be slightly different on the spreadsheet. However, we understand that surname and last name are exactly the same. Your phone number is correct, the email is correct, the address is correct. Now you'll see that we've got a few more in here on our naming conventions that may be a little bit different. So what will we do is we come over here, we'll go postal code, okay? Power bill, we'll make sure that, now instead of going through all the naming conventions, we just go power bill. So all you might have in here is how much is your quarterly power bill. Shading, let's put this one in. Again, we're going to search for that. Do you have any shading issues? Do you have solar? So let's have a look here. It might be under a different name. Do you have solar installed? Okay. Then replace solar. I know, now this is important, that I don't have this field in my CRM. So what the next step is, because I'm not going to even bother going here, I have one unmatched column. So what you're going to do is you're just going to hit this, don't import data in unmatched column. That will then be able to, for us to move to the next step. If I unclick that, you can see it's grayed out. I can't move to the next step. So all you do is don't import data and you can move on to the next step. Now, you can go back and start again, go to your contact fields and put in that custom contact field. However, it is entirely up to you. It is important that you ensure that all these naming conventions up the top are in your CRM. Moving on, so let's hit next. Okay, we'll wait for that to go through. Okay, now as part of the importing process, Radien CRM offers a bulk upload feature, which I've shown you, where you can provide a title now for the upload, indicating the purpose or the source of the contacts. This helps in keeping a record of how and why these contacts were added to your system. You can also choose to create a new contact list from the imported contacts and configure advanced options like updating existing contact records as well. So I would go here, Expo leads, might have been at an expo, it could have been Facebook leads, it could be a whole host of different things. You might be getting leads from a advertising company. Then we've got advanced features. This is what do you want to do with contact or contacts in the CSV file. You can add new and update existing contact records, or add new contact records, or update existing or contact records. Now I would more than likely always go for this one here, because if you've got you may have leads in there already, so you just want to add new or update the existing contacts. Okay, now when it comes to tagging and labeling your contacts to enhance the organization and segmentation, Radien CRM allows you to add tags or labels to imported contacts based on how you know them or on their specific actions. This feature is beneficial for later marketing campaigns or targeted communications. So by categorizing contacts with relevant tags, you can streamline your communication strategies and tailor your interactions effectively down the track. So the first thing you want to do is you want to put an Expo, Solar, or let's go, we've got Solar Expo here. We've got a few other main Expo, let's put that in, Solar Expo. Okay, now you may have a campaign or workflow already set up for these leads. That, like for example, if I click on this, I can go to, all right, I'm going to do the first 30-day lead nurture email sequence. I'm not going to do it for this one, but that's an example. So depending on why they're coming into the system, it will depend on what campaign or workflow you want to put them in. So the next step is hit submit. Now it is being processed. You can click here and it will show you in a moment. It'll take you through to here where you can see that the status, the bulk import for the Expo leads has been completed. It can also show you stats. If you can have a look, 20 were uploaded, 100% created, nothing, 0 updated and 0 error. Then all you do is you come back to your contacts list and you can see them all in here. They have the name, phone, email, when they were created, the last activity, which could be SMS or email, depends what workflow you've put them in, and then they've got the tags here for future reference. This explainer provides a comprehensive overview how to bulk upload and import contacts to Radien CRM efficiently. So by following these step-by-step instructions and utilizing the features offered by the CRM, you can streamline your contact management process and ensure that your database is up to date with the latest information. If you need extra support, remember our little guy down here. You can hit the button and you can speak with an agent. They'll be more than happy to talk with you. Thanks for listening. Have a good day.